can't sit there like that. If you know it's coming, you better be moving. I don't, but everybody else better be. I'm standing here preaching to everybody about a tornado, and I don't even get out of the way of them, but I'm going to start. This ought to wake everybody up. Get you a good storm house, a good place to go. And it come close. I'm fine. Well, I showed you trees in my backyard. You know it blowed up, but I'm fine. I'm gonna make it. I'm not gonna give up yet. I've been through a lot of toughness. I've been through a lot of tornadoes, really.